What's up guys, Greg with Pizzles Tech Time, back again with another video. Can't hear that well because my ears are being blocked by these Galaxy Buds Pro 3. Really interesting stuff here. It seems like Samsung took a lot of the design ideas from the earpods. I'm really not understanding why they waited 10 years to do so. Samsung stuck it out for years with the earbud style, pretty much this. And now they've just kind of added this little thing here that makes it look more like AirPods. Not only that, but the case looks exactly like Apple's case, and I'm just not loving the new Samsung here. You know, where is the ingenuity and where is the design of the product that is exceptional and is something new that we're all gonna get excited for? Right off the bat, this is just a first impressions review. I will go through the unboxing really quick. I will just show you what I shot with my 100mm macro lens, and I was trying to do it handheld. I don't know why I get these really bad ideas, but pretty shocked when I opened this up. Found the design to be a bit cheesy. I mean, the clear top is more or less okay. What I wanted to share with you guys is this design flaw is really bothering me. This earbud coming out of my right earbud. So you would put it right here, right? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, wait. Like, why would Samsung design it? This is, look, right with red. They don't even say left and right anymore. Coming out of my right ear, like this, you can't put it in the case the way that it comes out of your ear. So what it comes out of your ear this way, what you end up having to do is turn the earbud like that. So we're using our earbuds, go to put them away, it doesn't fit, you have to turn it, put it that way. And the design of these things is like very strange. Like it has like a sharp little corner here. It really doesn't easily fit in there. Your muscle memory is gonna get trained, don't get me wrong here, but just a bad design in my opinion. It's just not really intuitive, number one. And number two, it just kind of aggravates me. Being that these are designed like AirPods now and they have this little stem at the bottom, you're gonna put it in your ear like so. Not working. Not working. Now it's working. Okay, so that's pretty much why they say pinch, because you actually have to hit this on both sides of it in order to get it to work. Now, the cool thing that I will say is that you can control the volume on the sides here. How well that works is to be determined. Now, I've been using Samsung earbuds for like 10 years. The Buds2 Pro or the Buds Pro 2 have been my favorite Samsung earbuds. Never fell out of my ear. I really love the design of them. I actually wore them out. I wore all the rubberized coating off of it because I wore them so much. There is no rubberized coating on this. And I will have to give it a shot before I make any complaints. And as per the sound quality, they sound absolutely amazing. Not going to complain about the sound. I love the ability to change the volume on the earbuds. In the previous generation, what you would have to do is set it up in the application, which a lot of people wouldn't do. And you would have to lose another feature like your voice assistant or changing the track. This is a little more simplified because you can use up and down to change the volume. And I suppose it's easier to get in and out of your ear. What I have noticed about these is I am getting a squeaking noise, like especially when the earbuds are together. When I was setting them up, they were going beep, beep, beep the whole time. Okay, I will say the sound quality is amazing. Obviously, I can't share that with you. I do actually like the design of the earbuds in some way. At first, I was thinking, wow, this is really all plastic. I'm not going to like this design. And I do like the hard plastic feel, although it doesn't exactly feel premium. I really don't mind the design here. Actually, copying Apple so much, especially with the case, is kind of annoying to me. But I'm gonna give. You hear that? It just keeps doing that. I have no idea. So yeah, when I'm moving these things around in my ear, they're giving feedback. No idea why they're doing that, but I'm guessing that's why Samsung had a delay in releasing these. Been waiting like a month for these, and it just keeps happening. So weird. No idea why they're doing that. I really don't think they thought these out too well, especially with this weird designed case. Why they are like that, I don't know. If there's a reason for it, you guys can let me know. So what I will be doing, they do have a little cool light there too. I just noticed that. They got like a little cool light, which is pretty cool. And right on the side there, I don't know if that only comes on when they're charging, but the case feels pretty solid. It does have wireless charging if you're curious. It's just you're going to lay it like this, and then you've got the notification light as well as the earbuds themselves lighting up. So besides the feedback issue, besides them copying Apple, I think these are a solid purchase. They're probably not going to fall out of your ear like the original Buds Pro. I really can't wait to send those back because they fall out of my ear constantly. They're actually all dinged up because they have fallen out of my ear so many times. And there's really nothing worse than an earbud that won't stay in your ear, especially one like that cost over $200 when they first came out. Now, I'm noticing a trend here with the latest Samsung products is they have a lot of things that seem a little cheap. They have a lot of design choices that seem to be copied and not their own anymore. And they seem to be moving in a direction where they're saturating a lot of markets. They have SSDs, they have computer monitors, they have cell phones, they have tablets, now they have notebooks. And I've got to say, the quality of their products doesn't ring my bell so much anymore. It's not like it used to be where you would get the Pro model and it would be really amazing. You can say what you want to say about phones and cameras not increasing year after year, but that's just because they know people are going to buy them, probably know that people are going to just keep buying it no matter what they put out, just because it's the next iteration. And so far, I've been following right along with that, so I'm not anything special. But I've got to say, they have some premium qualities in them. I do like the sound quality. I have recorded some audio with it. I think it sounds great. It has an auto ambient sound mode, which is working a lot better for me than the previous model. But that might change once I get into my truck at work, so I'm gonna wait for a full review on this. But I just wanted to show you guys this and let you guys know there was a delay with these, and if you'd like to purchase them, I'll have a link down below. I paid for these with my own money, as I do like 80 to 90% of the products on this channel, and I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button followed by the notification bell. So hopefully I'll see you in the next video, guys. My name's Greg with Pizzle's Tech Time. Remember to embrace goodness and you'll attract greatness. Believe me, it has worked for me, and I know it'll work for you too. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace.
Pillow talk, little walls, simple minds want it all. Take it off, 5 o'clock. What come the rocks? What come the rocks? Dirty socks, kitchen sink, bring it on. Drink a drink, drink it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Rhythm and blues.